Welcome to 5-Minute Delight, a romantic pasta dinner that promises to charm your evening. Let's dive straight into creating a magical night within minutes. Begin with boiling water in a large pot. As it simmers, introduce your favorite pasta. For romance, nothing beats the elegance of spaghetti or fettuccine. A dash of salt for flavor and a hint of oil to prevent sticking. Remember, perfect pasta is all about timing, so keep it al dente. While pasta dances in the pot, let's whisk together a simple yet seductive sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic, and sauté until golden. Pour in a can of crushed tomatoes. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Let it simmer to perfection. Fresh basil leaves added at the end will whisper the tales of love. Nothing complements a romantic dinner like a glass of wine. For our pasta, a light-bodied red wine, perhaps a Pinot Noir, will intertwine beautifully with the tomato-based sauce, enhancing the flavors and adding a layer of sophistication to your evening. Drain the pasta and mix it well with the sauce. Plate with a twirl, garnish with Parmesan and more basil. Presentation is key, so place it with care, showing your love through the effort. Every romantic evening deserves a sweet finale. A classic tiramisu, with its layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese dusted with cocoa, will transport you to the streets of Italy, rounding off the night with whispers of amore. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning dinner that's sure to impress. Remember, it's not just the meal, but the love and thought put into it that makes the evening truly special. Hey foodies, if you've enjoyed watching the creation of this delightful dinner, don't forget to hit that like button. It's your way of letting us know you want more of such content. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future culinary adventures. We've got a lot more delicious recipes and wine pairings lined up for you. So, stay tuned for more delightful recipes. Please like and subscribe for more exciting content.